Hello dear students, our today's topic is an email writing. Mr. Hemant Soni writes, requesting to replace the mobile phone he has purchased during mega sale as it is damaged and not working properly. Draft an email on flyshop.com @ymail.com on behalf of him in about 100 words to flyshop.com @ymail.com. Subject: replacement of mobile phone. Sir, flyshop.com. This is to request you that I have purchased a Redmi 4 mobile phone from the mega sale launched by you last week. After unpacking it at home, I found that it is a little damage on the right top corner. The back cover is broken there. Not only that, after charging it to its full and switching it on, I found that it gives a blurred view. Letters and images are not clear at all. In this condition, I would not be happy retaining it at any cost. Kindly manage to get it replaced. Let me know the customer care center of the said phone or guide me if any other procedure is to be followed. Sooner action or response from your side will be a great favor to me. Regards, Hemant Soni. Thanks for watching, dear viewers. If this video is helpful for you, then please like, share and subscribe.